So now my forecasting should start. It starts earlier because I set the start to happen earlier. And it's like the forecasting goes out of whack because it's only, if we look at this formula, it only has two values to forecast off. It's forecasting off December 22 and January 23. And I don't know if this is like a limitation in the design of Danielle's spreadsheet. Like this is supposed to be a 12-month rolling forecast spreadsheet. So I think it needs to be, I need 2 years worth of actual data. So that early on in the forecast, when we're early on in the year, it's a rolling, I need a rolling 12 months, right? So the forecast always uses the prior 12 months or potentially even further. I think it gets more accurate the more data you give it because it has seasonality and all that kind of stuff. So why don't we give it like a rolling 2 years to forecast on? And so what will happen is, so the way that people will use this is that they will get their extract out of their ERP system for 2 years of data up to today. So today, right now, today is November 23. We're going to paste it in here. Our budget will hopefully be in here because we've done our budgeting, and it will literally just recalculate the forecast. Just like that. It's amazing using this forecast.ETS, which is great. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I think finance people love this kind of stuff, so they can do that. No worries. So that will be, so see how it says 12-month rolling forecast here, but it's not. It's that at this point it's a 2-month forecast, and so yeah. Anyway, I think I need more actual data, so I'm going to reshape the data inside this spreadsheet so that it is a 12-month rolling forecast always. And then we'll have budget going up to the end of the financial year, and we'll be great.